Hi guys, welcome to Thrifty Tuesday. So today's going to be just another quickie Thrifty Tuesday. I really didn't find much this time around. I went to like several little garage sales. I didn't have a chance to go to a thrift store this time. But I found this little boot. I thought this was cute. I might just alter that for like pins. So that was cute. And then I found this charm necklace. This one I paid $1 for this. And then this charm necklace it's a New York theme, and it has the taxi, it has the Statue of Liberty, it has the Empire State Building, the Big Apple, and I think that's it. No, what really attracted me, that's true, it was the, what is this called? The Godzilla, is it? Is it Godzilla? It's a gorilla. And right on his hand, I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but he's holding on to like a woman right on his hand. I don't know if it's picking it up, but I thought that was so cool, so I'll just use that for charms and other little stuff. But that was pretty. That one was 50 cents. And then I found this also. I liked it because they look like appliques. They look so pretty, in their earrings, but I don't want to use them for earrings. I want to use them as appliques or something else, I don't know, but they're so pretty, and I got these for $1. So that's pretty much it, but I'll be back with some more videos. Thank you guys. Bye.